In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error in Growtopia. It's very easy to fix, so try not to skip any steps. There are two working methods. The first method is that you go into the search bar on the bottom left of your screen, type in CMD, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Once you have done that, this screen will pop up. After this screen pops up, type in SFC /scan now, all one word. Then press enter. After you have done this, this will scan your system for any corrupt files on your Windows PC. After this has done, basically this will find the file that is corrupt and replace it with a file that is not corrupt. After this is finished, which will take a couple of minutes, reboot your PC and then try Growtopia once again to see if the error persists. If it still has an error, go to method number 2. Method number 2, I will put a URL in the video description below, but it will bring you to this website. On the left hand side of this website, you're gonna see a download button. Click on this. This will download a zip file. Once you have the zip file, it will look something like this. You want to right click on this, say extract all, and then after you have done that, this folder will be made. And in this folder, you're gonna see a lot of executables and one bat file called install_all.bat. Double click on this and this will automatically install all of these. And that is exactly what you want. This will fix the issue. If this helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.